Kevin Bird.
What's up, my man, Brad?
It's great to see you, my man. Kevin Bird, Two Guys Garage, if you don't know. What do you think of this thing?
Yeah, man, that's sweet. 50s pickup truck, Ford, man. A little bit different than your 41 over there as far as build style, but I mean, equally cool, right? Brian and I go way back, not only from the show Two Guys Garage, we were co-hosts together, but we went back to the original overhaul and build back when he was working at Chip Foosa's shop. So fun meeting him here at Caffeine and Octane. Now this is one of my favorites here.
Gordon, what's happening?
How
Great
are
to
you?
see you.
Hi, Kevin. Good to see you.
Brought the wagon out?
Yeah, it's the original SUV. We brought out a 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon, a two-door station wagon. This is what family used to go camping in.
So what all did you do to it?
I just removed all the ugly. Yeah.
You definitely did that. There's no more ugly on that.
The appropriate pieces of flair.
Is that an Atkins interior?
It's a Paul Atkins interior, and Jesse Greening did all the paint and body work, and we made a surprisingly small number of modifications. The headlight rings, the tail lights, and the script on the side, and everything else is just a fit and finish. Oh, and one more interesting feature, the gas filler door.
Perfect. It's a great spot.
57 Chevys used to do that, 56 Chevys used to do that, Cadillacs did it for quite some time.
Yep.
Well, this is kind of like sweeping the dirt under the carpet. You know, like just hide it back in there, no one sees it.
I'm comfortable with that.
Thank you for bringing it out.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Another great ride,
Great
John.
show, great show.
Look at the transmission tunnel. It's lubricating cans.
This is my 1968 Plymouth Satellite. You want to race?
This is over the top. It looks like a Ford of some sort. Maybe it was a Chevy. It's hard to tell, but look at the front end on this thing. Crankshaft with pistons. I love it. The sunshade, it's a saw blade. Steering wheel is a motorcycle chain. Look at the transmission tunnel. It's old lubricating cans. To me, this is a work of art. There's untold amount of work that went into creating this.
He did a lot of the welding, and I done a lot of the engine work myself.
Is it?
Yes, sir. And we've been hand in hand the whole way through.
How old are you, Jackson?
I just turned 16.
16, and you welded this together.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. This is really cool. Nice patina.
And actually, most people know, but this is actually paint.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's all paint. It's got copper and iron in it. And you paint it on the car and you spray acid on it. So the body is still in good condition.
Wow, you guys have really taught me something here. This is fantastic. Thanks a million, guys.
Sometimes you come across